on the Ranger today. I'll take you through the video, but one thing I want to do at the beginning of this video is list your first car that you ever owned down below, what your first car was, and if given the opportunity to buy it back or buy the same car again, would you? Comment down below what your first car was and if you would buy another one. So, hey boys and girls, we got another sweet video for you today. I've been going around without a sticker for quite a while now. I have to get this stuff done because it really needs to be inspected, and I wanted to pull the motor on the Tacoma this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. It's also my mom's birthday today, so hi Mom. Before we pull the motor on the Tacoma, I need to go get the engine hoist and bring it over to the storage unit, blah blah blah. This truck needs to be legal. I can't be rolling around an uninspected truck anymore. Here's what needs to be done today. So, in the last video, we worked on this side. And get out of here. Get that light out of there. It's kind of dark. The rear section of the frame, and the truck bed's bolted up. There you go. So you can see those terrible welds, but you know what? It does the job, I hope. Look how rusted this is, guys. Yeah, it's frayed. I can get rid of all these wires too. I do not need them. Look at that. Look how terrible it is. We're going to do pretty much the same thing we did on the other side. Cut off a section. Oh. Gold tape. I got the frame right here. You have your couple of mounting holes for the bed. This will go up, cover it, get lined up right with the bed, bolt it in, and then tack it up. I'm going to unbolt that whole bracket like I did before, jack it up, yeah, attach it to this guy, so, and then paint it. Cross members are pretty bad. Like that one's terrible. That one not so much. I'm missing that one. This guy that I'm going to bring it to, I brought a couple of cars to. Actually, I had a Honda Civic that had it was half made out of Bondo. He inspected that, so we'll see. He's kind of lenient, so I kind of know the guy. He's a nice guy. I do have some sanding materials to get this sanded down. I might have black paint that I could just throw on there. If she takes a sticker, huge help. I might be able to get to the motor this weekend. If not, during the week. I'm this close to buying all the things I need. Pistons, rods, you know, all the stuff I went through in the other video. Ooh, she is dirty from her last adventure. Where the stock location for the air filter was, it was literally right here. You come down. It sucked air from right inside there. Look at that. That's maybe 2 feet from the ground. Every big puddle that you went in that didn't even clear the bumper, totally hydrolocked the truck. Just took the fender lining out. And then just basically made some custom pieces just to come through here. You can see it's, actually you can see it, yeah, right there. Just PVC running all the way up. Drilled a nice hole. Not the prettiest hole. I did kind of test it out. Went to a deeper puddle than she was normally accustomed to going through and surviving, and it made it out. So I think it works. We'll do more heavy testing later on in the channel. It's not really exciting, but it's my off-road truck. It's my trash truck. Completely flooded the carpet both times. Actually flooded the carpet 3 times. After sucking out all the water the first time, it took about an hour. I just said, screw it, carpet's coming out. So it came out. Really the only other thing that I did, and this was like right off the bat, I've never welded a diff before in my life, and this was the first truck. So I'll show you in another video because we got to do something about this leaky diff, but I'll take that off. We just basically welded it up the best we could. Look, it's already dripping. Jesus. Yeah, the OEM bolt hole that's on the back of this was completely stripped. Like there's no way to get it out. So we took the cover off. That's why you see that bolt sitting right there. That's a bolt with the nut welded on the opposite side. so I can fill it pretty easily. Works great off-road. Hardly ever had to go in the four-wheel drive this winter. And it's a bunch of fun drifting in the snow with the welded diff. Not so much daily. You get the tire squeak and the chirp and the head's turning like, what the hell is he doing? He's peeling out 5 miles an hour, dude. This guy's crazy. Like, what's wrong with that truck? Something's wrong with that truck. Honey, something's wrong with that truck. So we will cut right about there, but in order for the new one to fit, we have to get those, see those two? We have to get those off, get this bracket off. So we're gonna pneumatically take them off. Don't mind the awesome jams in the background. So we got that bracket off. I want to cut right here and have the new piece come to right about here. But look at this. Huge gaping hole. That's what she said. I might just put a plate on the other side and weld it. It's not really gonna serve a purpose, but it's whole frame shot, but you gotta work with what you got, right? I got a huge turd sitting right here. There you guys have it. The frame is off. So there you guys have it. The frame is off. Let me tell you, when you're cutting, doing anything, working on anything, see, right there, right there. It's important to protect yourself. Wear protection. Hearing protection, eye protection. It's gonna save you in the long run. It takes 2 seconds to do. Get yourself something to cover up. I'm terrible with it. I hardly ever wear anything with my eyes when I'm working under vehicles, and I pay the price every single time. So learn from my mistakes. Wear eye protection. Wear hearing protection when needed. That's the tip of the day. Also, just another little tip. So I got the existing bed bolt in, and then I got a new bolt over there. And so to reach that by yourself is kind of difficult. And when you go to screw the nut on, obviously it's going to want to lift up on you. So just a little trick. Use your existing frame that you definitely cut off your truck or anything heavy, and just go ahead. I got some metal back there anyways, but go ahead and cover the top of it. Sort of put your nuts on. She's gonna stay in place for you. So that's tip 2 of the day. God, I'm full of tips today. That's what she said. Tip 3 of the day. Working by yourself. Prop up top. Prop it so when it spins, pushes all the weight into the bed or whatever you can find. That way you can work down below and get it tightened up. I'm getting excited. Super excited. Super excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. shavings all over me. Guys, working on stuff is dirty. Dirty. All wrapped up. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do, but look at this. It's in. Everything's bolted up. Everything's still rusty. Gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna paint it with the undercoating. This isn't ideal. I was kind of running out of time today, to be honest with you, so I'll probably paint it, but in the future I might do the welds a little bit more around. I just kind of tacked it into place. So I paint the frame. I'm basically gonna hide it. It's just the amount of crap that came off the truck today. I'm kind of proud of it, to be honest with you. Alright, so the inspection station was closed today. I'll be going without a sticker for a couple more days. We'll see Tuesday. I'll go for inspection, see what it's got. We'll catch you next time. Booyahs, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Comment down below with your first car. Remember the beginning of the video? Do it. Keep it weird. Let's go, baby. Come on, give it some. Woo!